I'm Mungo Darkmatter and welcome to Dark Matters. Today on Dark Matters, I'm going to show you how to put sharps, flats, and naturals in your YouTube notations. And I'm going to also do another video with other special characters as well, but I wanted to kind of separate the sharps, flats, and naturals because a lot of people need to use those in their descriptions for different musical videos that they're doing, or videos related to music where they want to show what the notations are. There's a little bit of a trick to it because what happens is we're using special characters which are called ASCII characters, and some of the characters are also called Unicode, but they're special characters, and there's like a basic set and an extended set, and sometimes some of the programs you might be using won't have some of the symbols in it, which is the case with sharps, flats, and naturals. So you've got to be kind of careful what you do. What you do is you create the text in another program first, and then you paste it into YouTube. That's the easiest way to do it. The two programs you may use are Notepad or Wordpad, or even Microsoft Word if you want to. Notepad doesn't have the characters for flats and naturals in it, so this technique won't work with Notepad, so we're going to need to use Wordpad. Let me increase the font here up a little bit so we can see it when we do it. There's a web page called Alt Codes. It's alt-codes.net. I'll put it in the description of the video, and it shows you all the different types of characters that you can put in, like a YouTube description or into any text file, really. It's called alt-codes because you hold down the alt key and you use the number pad to type in the number code of these codes. Now you need to put the numbers lock on the number pad, so remember to do that first. You're going to hold down alt, you'll type the number, and then you will let go of alt, and then the character will come up. So we're going to do sharps, flats, and naturals. So if we go to the web page here and we go down the side, we'll find musical note alt codes. And the codes we're going to use here, they have some for notes too if you wanted to put some of those in for some reason. But they're just, you know, it doesn't have like a musical score per se, but like if you wanted to put just these quarter notes or 16th notes or 8 notes in for kind of decorative purposes in something, you could use those as well. Here's the flat, the natural, and the sharp down here. The code is 9837 for flat, it is 9838 for natural, and it's 9839 for sharp. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull up Wordpad right here. Remember, these particular characters aren't going to work on Notepad. I'm going to hold the Alt key down. I'm going to put 9837. Then I'm going to release Alt. And I must have hit something wrong. Hold on a second. Try it again. Hold down Alt. Hit 9837 and release Alt. There's the flat. I mistyped it before. I'm going to hold down the Alt. 9838. Release, I get a natural. Hold down the alt, I'm going to hit 9839 and I get a sharp. Now I'm going to put A here for A flat, and I'm going to put B natural, and I'm going to put C sharp here. Then I'm going to copy these. Say this was what I wanted to put in my YouTube description. I'm going to go over to YouTube right here. Here's the description for a video. If I hold down Control and hit V, it pastes it right into the description. Let me move that over here in case in case you couldn't see it. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to hit Control and V, and it pastes down what I had written down in there. So I can paste whatever I want into there. So I can actually write what I want for the description in Wordpad and add the sharp, flat, and naturals to it. get it the way I want, and pop it into the description, and it will paste those sharps, flats, and naturals right in to your description. I'm Mungo Darkmatter, and this has been Dark Manners, and whatever you do, enjoy technology.